legendary Kadazan singer-songwriter Datuk Justin Stimol immortalized the phrase Hamin at Penampang, literally, a house in Penampang, through his timeless composition, which resonated deeply with audiences since its release in the 1960s and remains a cultural touchstone today. At first glance, the song seems to evoke a personal sense of security and belonging, yet its meaning runs far deeper. Decades ago, during a candid conversation over coffee in the quiet town of Donggongon, Stimol revealed the song origins. Born from a period of profound uncertainty in Sabah, when religious tensions and societal upheaval cast a shadow over the region, the Hamin in his lyrics symbolized a refuge of faith and hope. The iconic St. Michael Church, a weathered yet resilient stone sanctuary perched atop Penampang Hill. For Stimol, this sacred space was not merely a building but a Hamin, a spiritual and emotional home where he and countless others found solace. The concept later expanded to encompass another cornerstone of Kadazan identity, the headquarters of the Kadazan Cultural Association (KCA), now the Kadazan Cultural Association (KDCA). Established during a renaissance of indigenous pride, the KDCA building became a second Hamin for Stimol, representing the preservation of heritage and communal resilience. Through his music, Stimol wove these two spaces into a universal narrative of finding stability in a changing world. Today, Hamin at Penampang transcends its literal meaning, inviting listeners to reflect on their own anchors, whether physical, spiritual, or cultural, that define what it means to have a home. In a world still grappling with uncertainty, his words remind us that Hamin is not just a place, but a feeling of belonging.
Hamin zodoit Penampang untuk umabuso wagaan ginabo okwang zolulusan wabang dopolwang ibau kudodoy hoy sobusak swong ansanan kudo ginabo baka ay susuwang ngis poin mat di Hamin zodoy Penampang. Agaan ginabo okwang zolulusan wawang dopolwang ibal kudodoy hoy sobusak swong ansanan kudo ginabo baka ay susuwang ngis poin manay Hamin zodoy Penampang.